If you've never been on a cruise ship before, or possibly you've been on many different types of ships, seasickness is a real thing that can sneak up on you unexpectedly, and it's always best to be prepared. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we are at day number 9. We are down to single digits before our next cruise, and we continue to count down the days, getting more and more excited with every single one of them. But before we get down to day number 1, we have another cruise tip for you today, and that is do not forget your seasickness medication. Now I know, that seems like it could be a silly thing. You could be saying, well, I've been on many different types of ships. I don't get seasick. I don't need to bring seasickness medication. And up until one ship, I was completely in agreement with you. So let me share this little wonderful seasickness story with you. So throughout my life, I have been on many different sizes of ships. I've been on different sizes of cruise ships. I've been on regular size boats. I've been on lakes, rivers, in the coast, fishing boats, personal boats, all different kinds of boats, and never once in my life did I ever get seasick until the one time that I did. So down in Corpus Christi here in Texas, they have a casino ship. Not a small ship, but definitely not a cruise ship size ship. And it leaves from Galveston. It goes out 12 miles into international waters where they can open up the casino. You gamble for like 2.5 hours. And then the ship comes back to port. The whole trip is about 4 hours. So not a big deal. Like I said, I'd been on tons of ships before. So I did nothing to prepare for this trip. Got on the ship and we started heading out to international waters. Well, the waves were just a little bit rough that day. And I completely learned what it means to be seasick in a matter of about 30 minutes. And I don't want to be gross here, but you know those bags that they give you when your stomach is upset. I filled up several of these bags while on board this ship. Now, I have never been seasick since then. And like I said, I was never seasick before then. But that one trip taught me more than I could possibly want to remember. And now I don't forget to bring some form of seasickness medication just on that small chance that I could have a repeat incident of that casino ship day. I never want to feel like that again. I don't want anybody else to ever feel like that. So even if you have never been seasick before, the cruise tip today is still going to be bring some form of seasick medication, even if it's just a small package. Even if you will never ever have to use it, put it in your bag, have it there for that one chance or that one time that you will possibly get seasick. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.